Hey, slow, no wake.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Huh?
Made a little wake right here.
Come along and enjoy the sights and sounds of Lake Nicol. I'm at Lake Nicol, just outside Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and it is a beautiful spring day. I have pulled up into this slough where it's all shady and cool. Just a perfectly pleasant day. I've seen several people out here, some more kayaks, and saw a boat. Lake Nicol's not very big, so the size of the boat was pretty big for a lake this size. There's some swimmers, and I suspect I'm probably going to get in the water at some point. There are a couple of great places to park the kayak and get in the water. I'm here with Handyman. He is fishing right now, and so I thought, well, I'll get out of his way, let him fish, and I'll just float around a little bit, and he and I will meet up and probably do a little bit of swimming, a little bit of getting wet. Having trouble holding my position. There's a little bit of wind today. Not so bad that it blows you around too bad, but it's enough to keep you cool, so it's just right. So being out on a lake like this is pretty far from having a wilderness experience, but it's still a great day to be outside. How's that? Whoa, seriously?
I see you take off straight out.
I did. I was going to ask you if there was a reason why you took off so fast.
Yeah, that'd be it. I saw something sticking out of the water. Like, what the heck is that? And I saw it go. I'm like, ooh, yeah, getting away from that.
How's fishing?
Got a nastiest bird nest ever. So, I think I'm done.
You caught a bird's nest?
Yeah,
Awesome. Great day to be outside, though.
It is. Looked kind of like a log at first. I didn't know what it was. I just saw something go out of the water. I'm like, what the heck? Should have instantly known.
Yeah, well, I think I would have instantly thought snake, but not
I thought snake, but that's.
moccasin necessarily.
I didn't think of moccasin, of all things. I guess over there, yeah.
Yeah, I saw you take off, and I thought, what are you doing? Then it occurred to me, what if you saw something?
Yeah. Saw a snake.
Yeah, hard pass on that.
Yeah.
I was on a float trip one time and got, I don't know if I was being chased, but I saw a water moccasin, and it was following me. Now, I don't know in its mind if it was following to pursue me or if it was just going on about its business and wishing I would get out of the way.
I wouldn't take your chance, though.
But it was enough to get me moving.
Yeah. I could relax like this for a bit.
Oh, this is kind of chilling right here.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie. to take out. And Handyman,
I'm now pushing myself the wrong way.
Handyman is using his paddle as a sail.
I smacked my rod. Almost worked. Maybe that'll help. Look at that, it's working.
Oh, good enough.